Hey guys, it's Ron. It's April 1st. Happy April Fool's Day. An update to my channel. This is my monthly vlog. Guys, everything's been going good. Iron pills are working. The arm pills are working. The arm is not back to normal, but it's doing really, really well. And I've just been busy all around, but still sleeping a lot. Sleeping a lot. A lot. Some things I want to touch on just briefly in this vlog. AI, as you probably well know it, is taking over the world by storm. Like, everything is AI. You can't believe what you see, hear, or anything anymore, because most of it is turning out to be all AI generated. And above here, or in this video, I'm gonna put a clip. It was a photo taken of me when I was 3 years old. So it was 59 years ago, 59 years ago. And it was a still photo. I scanned it on my computer, uploaded to a site, and turned it into a video of me filing his door. It's exactly what I was doing, filing a door. But it brought it to life. And it's just so amazing. I've been playing with this software, trying to find the free ones, trying to find the scams. And I think I'll do a video in the future on that, bringing to you the best ones out there, unbiased. So that's what's coming on the horizon. Is more AI stuff. If companies like Vegas, Camtasia, and Photoshop and that start making their programs more AI features in their programs, they're going to be left in the dust, because you can do anything with video and with photos online right now, and you don't need Photoshop, and you don't need a video editor. Everything is done online through AI. So it's pretty cool out there. It's a pretty cool time to be alive. So thanks for your support, guys. I really appreciate all your comments. It takes a while for me to get videos out. It's just a lot of things going on. I'm beta testing a new site for the place where I work, and things are just busy, and so just things are busy. But I appreciate all your comments, and I appreciate your support over the years. It's been 9 years since I started this channel. Tech tips, tech stuff. 9 years. Take care, guys. Have a good day. God bless. Bye bye.